Why do 70% of savvy investors use stock options to hedge their bets? Let's find out. Stock options are contracts that give you the right but not the obligation to buy or sell a stock at a specific price before a certain date. There are two main types, calls and puts. A call option lets you buy a stock at a set price before the expiration date. If the stock price goes up, you profit by buying low and selling high. On the flip side, a put option lets you sell a stock at a set price. If the stock price drops, you profit by selling high and buying low. When you buy an option, you pay a premium. This is the cost of the contract. If the stock moves in your favor, you can exercise the option for profit. If not, you only lose the premium. When you sell an option, you collect the premium. But be careful. If the stock moves against you, you might face a loss. Understanding these basics can help you navigate the world of options trading with confidence. Stay tuned for more tips and strategies.